Konnichiwa, wanderers. Welcome to Roam with Dory. You've go to for travel guides and relaxing virtual walks. Today, we're headed to the third largest city in Japan, Osaka. This video is going to help you plan a 3-day fun itinerary. It's a bit of a mystery why Osaka is often missed in travelers' visit to Japan, especially when you consider what this vibrant city has to offer. It's true that Osaka doesn't have the imperial history of Kyoto or the bustling, neon-lit streets of Tokyo. But what it does have is a unique spirit all its own, one that's rooted in both the past and the present. Only 2 hours from Tokyo, imagine a city where cutting-edge skyscrapers stand side by side with ancient temples, where the scent of incense mingles with the mouth-watering aroma of takoyaki and okonomiyaki, the city's iconic street food. Add to that the warm, welcoming nature of the locals, and you have a city that's every bit as captivating as its more famous counterparts. So, if you're ready to explore a different side of Japan, let's dive into a 3-day itinerary that unveils the best of Osaka. First, let's talk about transportation. You can reach Osaka from Tokyo via the Shinkansen train for about $108. If you are traveling with luggages and don't want to carry them with you, you can also use a local shipping company. I used this service and found it so convenient. They shipped my luggage in 2 days to my destination hotel and left it with the front desk. I found the service amazing and reasonably priced, $18. If you fly into Osaka Airport, there are stops outside for limousine buses. They have different stops throughout the city. Tickets can be purchased at the station or use your IC card for about $5. You can get around Osaka City best by public transportation. For your lodging, I recommend staying near the Namba station. It is close to the Kurama Market and local attractions. On day 1, begin your first day in Osaka by grabbing breakfast at a popular local spot like Cafe Graham. The cafe is known for their fluffy and delicious pancakes and is located close to Namba Station. They offer a variety of sweet and savory options. Or if you only want good coffee in the morning, you can grab your first cup of joe at Kameda's Coffee, a Japanese chain of coffee shops known for their thick toast and signature coffee blends. Kameda's Coffee has several branches around Osaka, including one near Namba Station. Next, immerse yourself in its vibrant street culture. No better place to dive into this dynamic energy than Dotonbori. Dotonbori is a bustling shopping and food district that perfectly encapsulates the city's spirit. As you walk through its lively streets, you'll be greeted by a symphony of sights, sounds, and scents that will leave you eager to explore. The heart of Dotonbori is its food scene, a culinary playground where you can sample Osaka's delectable street food. The star of the show is undoubtedly takoyaki, a mouth-watering ball-shaped snack made from a wheat flour-based batter and filled with minced octopus, tempura scraps, pickled ginger, and green onion. This iconic dish, crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside, is a must-try for any food enthusiast. Next on the menu is okonomiyaki, a savory pancake that's as fun to eat as it is to say. This culinary delight, whose name translates to grilled as you like it, is a mix of cabbage, meat, and seafood, all held together by a rich, flavorful batter. Topped with a variety of condiments and cut into bite-sized pieces, okonomiyaki is a festival of flavors that you won't soon forget. But Dotonbori isn't just about food. It's also home to the iconic Glico Man sign, a symbol of Osaka that has been lighting up the district for nearly a century. This brightly lit billboard, featuring a runner crossing a finish line, is a popular photo spot and a testament to the city's enduring energy and spirit. Not far from the Glico Man sign is the Ebisu Bridge, a popular gathering spot for locals and tourists alike. From here, you can take in the stunning views of the Dotonbori Canal, lined with neon signs and bustling with life. Take a leisurely stroll along the Dotonbori Canal, soaking in the city's neon glow. The vibrant lights reflecting off the water create a mesmerizing display that encapsulates the magic of Osaka. This dazzling spectacle is the perfect way to end your first day in this incredible city. If you love department store shopping, Takashimaya Department Store is a must-add to the itinerary. This store also includes an archive that shows the history of this department store in Japan. Admission is free. It is also close by the Namba stations. They also have several versions of their store's cute mascot, Rose-chan. At this department store, you can find the luxury brands and food halls. So much to see and enjoy. On day 2, start the day with fluffy Japanese souffle pancakes at Cafe Anon. It's a cozy cafe serving pancakes and parfaits in a casual space decorated with light wood and muted colors. People raved about their pancakes at Cafe Anon. I personally found the taste of egg too strong. After a full tummy, you are now heading to the day's exploration. Today, it will be a step back in time to explore the historical side of Osaka. First stop of the day, Osaka Castle, an iconic symbol of the city's rich past that dates back to the 16th century. This magnificent structure, with its white walls and gleaming golden adornments, stands as a proud testament to Osaka's resilience and enduring spirit. Each stone, each turret, each ornate detail tells a tale of its own, weaving together the rich tapestry of Osaka's history. As you ascend to the castle's observatory, prepare yourself for a view that truly takes your breath away. From this vantage point, the city unfurls before your eyes in a panorama of modern skyscrapers, ancient temples, and the vibrant, ever-changing pulse of life that is uniquely Osaka. There's an almost surreal beauty in the contrast between the city's bustling present and its storied past. For those of you with a keen interest in history, the Osaka Museum of History is not to be missed. Located just a stone's throw away from the castle, this museum offers a deeper dive into the city's past. Its comprehensive exhibits span several floors, each dedicated to a different era, from the ancient times of the Naniwa Palace to the post-war Reconstruction period. It's a fascinating journey that gives you a deeper understanding of the city's evolution over the centuries. Next, take a short train ride to Umeda to go to the Yodobashi department store for some shopping. Here, you will find a Nintendo store, Doraemon store, and Pokemon stores. As the sun begins to set, head for some fun video anime shopping experience at Den Town. It's the Osaka's equivalent of Akihabara. You can find so many cheap anime goodies here. Don't forget to grab some cute toys from the gachapon machines sprawled everywhere here. For dinner, there are plenty of affordable, cheap, delicious eats in the area to choose from. End the day with some more shopping at Shinsaibashi Suji Street, a very busy shopping street perfect for souvenir shopping. The final day in Osaka presents an opportunity to discover the city's hidden gems. Today, we're off to the vibrant Shinsekai district, a shopping district that feels like a time capsule. It's a retro corner of the city, where the past meets the present in the most delightful way. The district is known for the Tsutenkaku Tower, an iconic symbol of Osaka that offers panoramic city views. It's a must-visit spot that's steeped in history and local lore. But Shinsekai is more than just a tower. It's a bustling district with a distinct character, where you can stroll through narrow alleys filled with colorful signs, vintage shops, and lively eateries. There's stores for shooting games and a lot of fun stuff like Billiken, the official mascot of Osaka. Now, if you're an animal lover, the Tennoji Zoo is a must-visit. It is walking distance from Shinsekai. It's home to a wide range of species, from the majestic lion to the playful penguin. You can also see red pandas in the Tennoji Zoo, plus a kid-friendly cafe. It's a place that brings you closer to nature right in the heart of the city. Not too far from the zoo, you can also visit Namba Yasaka Shrine. It has very cool buildings shaped in giant lion's head. For those seeking relaxation, Spa World is the place to be. It's a huge onsen complex with themed spas from around the world. It's the perfect place to unwind and soak away the fatigue from your travels. Now, after the spa, let's go and enjoy some more food, because Shinsekai is known for kushikatsu, a local delicacy. It's a simple dish, skewered meat and vegetables, breaded and deep-fried to perfection. Each bite is a delicious revelation that will make your taste buds dance. It's the perfect way to fuel your explorations in this lively district. Also in Shinsekai, there's also a McDonald's that have interesting seasonal items on their menu catered to locals that would be fun to check out while you're here. As you wander through the streets of Shinsekai, you'll uncover the hidden treasures that make Osaka so unique. The city's charm lies in these little details, in the blend of old and new, in the flavors of its local cuisine, and in the warmth of its people. As the sun sets on your final day, take a moment to reflect on the city's unique charm that you've experienced. There you have it, your fun 3-day itinerary to Osaka. I hope you found this video helpful. Please consider to hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel. It will help me a lot with growing the channel and delivering more useful videos to you. Until next time, happy travels!